Hey there, future artists! Welcome to our exciting video tutorial on how to draw a castle. Let's start by drawing a square shape right in the middle of our paper. This will be the base of our castle. Now, let's bring our castle to life by drawing a magical door in the center of our square. Add details like a handle or a decorative shape. Wow, look at that! Our castle needs some walls. Now, let's draw a triangle for the roof of our dream castle. Wow, it's so beautiful! Next, add two towers on top of the square. Draw two rectangles that are taller than their bases. Imagine them as fairy tale towers rising into the sky. To give our castle splendor, draw your favorite Gothic windows on the towers. Use your imagination and add as many as you like. It's time to color our magnificent castle. Color it according to your creativity and imagination. Show off your creativity with unique colors.